Which state is more expensive to live in? Wyoming or New York? Let's find out. The answer might surprise you. I lived in Wyoming for many years. I've lived in New York for a few years as well. And what I can tell you is that while New York's prices and taxes may be a little bit higher, because I've lived in New York and pursued a business opportunity, I'm able to make significantly more than I would in Wyoming. I'll give you an example. If all of your expenses for a nice lifestyle in Wyoming cost $5,000 a month, and for the same quality of lifestyle, it costs $8,000 a month in New York. New York's quite a bit higher, right? But if by living in New York you make $200,000 a year, and by living in Wyoming you make $65,000 a year, which one makes you have more money? Now, I'm not saying if anybody moves to New York, they're going to be making $200,000 right away. And I'm not saying that people in Wyoming only make $65,000. I know plenty of people in both states that prove this wrong. However, what I am saying is for me, the opportunity was somewhere other than where I currently lived. Maybe it is for you too.